For Injective, congrats everybody who opened the long position. I skip it, Injective. Yes, because it was not in my zone of interest. Let me show you first the FIB. We tracked this FIB since zone 21, and FIB absolutely relevant, everything in play, and I waited that zone. 226, 50 cents, 9. So this wasn't my zone of interest for entry. We didn't drop to that entry, that's why I skip it. So if you bought it here, for example, 278, it's not a mistake, guys. You withdraw initial deposit after the 100% profit. So be sure, guys, better take the profit now, leave the free 50%, leave some part of the coins, right? If we go higher, this is the money from the air. If we go down, you lose nothing. So you save initial deposit. The first main goal is to save initial deposit. After that, increase it. That's why targets, guys, honestly, I don't think so. The Injective will hit the new all-time high, unfortunately. And the top of the top, I think we can see around 21.11, 22.55. Extra positive is 37. If you believe in new all-time high, 56.85. These levels and the FIB absolutely in play. But I think most likely we will see something like this one and crush it down into this block. I hope I will be wrong. So just in case, if you feel comfortable to buy Injective for the spot and you want to buy now because you worry about, oh, maybe we'll not see that drop again, you can even buy now, for example, and the buy in zone of interest. So your average entry will be like 250, for example, if we drop to the $1, let's say $1.50. So 250, 270 will be your average entry. After that, once again, around $6, you will sell off and leave just the free coins. All right, let's take a look with the smart money concept zones. I highly recommend you guys find this indicator on the description below and use it totally for free. So under, we didn't test the this one, 50% of the monthly gap. This is kind of bad. This is kind of bad story because much better when we close imbalance zone and start reversal move, because here we broke the structure in October, November. So on the monthly time frame, we are in a downtrend structure. To talk about uptrend structure, I guess we have to at least go over than 1655. Can we go? Technically, yes. But above is magnet now, it's 897 and like $11. The negative scenario, if everything what we've seen now on the market is just a cat bounce on a BTC going to this summer to the 59, for example, 60K. So yes, this is the next price movement for Injective, unfortunately, guys. So be ready. That's why I skip it now. Injective, my zone of interest, you know. So this is a rejection zone. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and find out what's going on. The positive signal I showed you, it was a sell in March 24. Take profit. So we close all short position, and here's a signal to buy. Now, no signal to close position, to recommendation close position, to sell, nothing. No bearish signal now based on a trade on. It's good. That's why above also, here's the first trouble area. This is the second one. If we will see summer green and break the structure like this one, after that form this price movement, it can be that triangle, and I don't know, the size of that triangle is going to be this one around here, and we not break this high. Even if we sweep that high, after that we go lower. So just in case, guys. Now for me personally, it looks logical to put the price here, direction, build the uptrend structure, and start like consolidate before the upside move this autumn or the spring zone 27. So no sell signals. All right. Highly recommended, by the way, turn on the order blocks to check order blocks and the liquidity. This is a bearish order block. This is a bearish order block. Under one and only the bullish one on the weekly. Monthly, one more time. Order block and the favorable gap is always played like a magnet for the price. That's why I'll be not surprised if we will see the Injective in the next upcoming weeks. 1073 and 1317. I'll recommend you just check everything by yourself. There's also additional indicator, guys, what you can use: ADZ, direction, market moon, money power, trade, take profit. I would like to show you if you bought it here for a swing trade or for the spot, once again after 100%, and when we trade over the exit line, it's not a mistake. Take the profit, withdraw initial deposit. Also, the great example on the Injective chart. This is a weekly time frame. Take profit levels. The last line, it's a fundamental value price. I recommend you all the time, just add alerts to the lines and track it, because on the Injective, one more example. So every single time the price come back all the time to test the fundamental value line below, and after that, after the time we come back to test take profit line. So now take profit line is 16 and 7 cents. Lines are dynamic. That's why add alerts to the line, not to some specific price where we're now. Because for example, in August, that line can be like 13, and you're still waiting the 16, and you miss the zone where you need to out of the Injective. For example, it's on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame we use for the spot position, especially. And why I showed you that take profit example when the coin trade under that line and come back and test it, because I recommend you create a big watch list of the coins, what you interested in it, what you would like to trade or buy for the spot, and move with the take profit indicator coin to coin, because many of them just repeat the price action and the price movements of Injective the same way directly to test the fundamental value line. Just example of the dot here. Fundamental value line, $1.90. You can hate it dot, you can love it dot, but we're gonna test it. V-chain. H-bar, not drop it. That's why you have to, here, rejection. You have to check from coin to coin, right? Not randomly. Not by, I guess we're not going, or I guess we already pump it. You need to spend a time and double check manually each coin. Just create a watch list and move from coin to coin. And if some coins so far from that zone, the risk ratio can be good, you buy. All right, so this is a zone. A take profit line is 16. Test below the buy line, 7.95. So my idea is still the same. Continuation to the higher levels, after that rejection, and I guess by end of the August, we'll see the crucial moment for the Injective. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, Joe Mateo channel. See you next time, guys.